We all look. Okay, go. Yeah. Say hi, Connor.
Hey.
I'm sure you don't jerk sitting down.
Oh, look at that!
Dang! Dang, I got that on camera.
I don't care.
BA.
My rules. BA. What does BA mean?
Beating butt.
No,
That's BB.
that's BB. That's what's BA.
I don't want to say.
I mean,
I am 18 now. I am way too mature for those cuss words.
I think the audience is waiting for what's BA.
No, I think BA means BB.
I mean,
It's the same thing as BB.
This is the worst video I've ever made.
Oh, you goodness. The fuck?
BA means beating ass.
You stick your nasty thumb in my eye and I can't do anything about it? So hard?
Smoke weed every day.
I see you walking. I see you talking. I see you walking. I see you talking. I see you running. Damn. I see you jumping.
I see you doing that jumping.
I see you doing cartwheels.
I see you doing monkey bars.
I thought he was gonna give it to Pocahontas.
I mean, I guess.
Come on. Look at her face.